It was something in the air. It was something in the air.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I need to go get the mail because I have my knee. I have ribbon in the mail. Need to go get it. He's gonna drive me to the mailbox, even though it's legitimately a 1-minute walk. But I'm pregnant. I'll take the excuse to not have to walk. Take the excuse. What's up? I'm downstairs now. I'm turning on my heat press because I got a lot of work to do today. Yesterday, I actually got 7 tutus done. This is the 7th one. I need to add a bow and how to glue it, and then it will be done. Whew, I have so much to do because I only did 2 shirts yesterday. That is it, just 2 with 7 ribbon trims. So I have a lot to do. I got a lot of orders yesterday, like a lot, and I actually almost lost my mind yesterday. I did lose my mind, and then Pamela had me laughing. So thank you, Pamela. I needed that. Someone had ordered something, and yesterday is the 4th. Today's the 5th, and they need it on the 10th, and it's Monday. No, I'd have to make it last night. So she told me to start telling my customers, I'm out of magic, or magic doesn't work anymore, or something like that. And I just thought it was really funny. I'm just having kind of a hard time because I'm trying to catch up, and then all the orders come in. Which, yes, that is a great thing to have a lot of orders. But I am one person, and I can only do but so much. And some people place orders they need in December, but other people place orders they need in a few days. So I just keep getting stuck. And the people who place orders and put a need by date of December start messaging me 3-4 days after, where's my order, where's my order, where's my order? You just ordered it, and you don't need it till December. So if you needed it sooner, don't put a need by date of December, because it's not going to go out right now. You don't need it till December. You'll get it middle of June, July, but you don't need it until December. So I don't get it, but it is what it is. I just uploaded that ribbon trim tutu tutorial, so go ahead and watch that. I literally went step by step, detail by detail, explaining a lot. So it's really good for beginners, and even if you're a tutu maker already, so it's good. It gives you more tips, more tricks. So I will go ahead and watch that video. I did get my order from ARB and my BB Crafts tool order, so I'll be showing those later. I need to start on some shirts first. I have to. I'm going to try. Part of me wants to get 20 shirts done since I only got 2 done yesterday. We'll see if that works. So yeah, let me get into work. All right, guys. See you later. It is, I think, like 11:30. I am going to make a coffee, a latte. Oh, my husband's so cute. He just texted me, follow your dreams. I dream of a Range Rover, right? I hope that's what you mean. Oh, I have already gotten almost 10 shirts done. Almost, which is very good, I think. Which has been like, what, 2.5 hours? 2.5 hours. I need a coffee. I wanted one yesterday, but we well, not out of milk, but almost out of milk. So in case I got hungry wanted a bowl of cereal, I didn't want to use my milk. And my husband luckily brought me a frappe from not Starbucks, I wish, from McDonald's yesterday when he got on his way home. So it worked out. So my sister picked up some milk on her way home yesterday. So I have milk for my coffee so I can make coffee. It's like my midday motivation to keep moving, keep pushing. I'm not doing bad, I would say, so far. I still haven't showed you guys the ARB order I got. I already opened the box because I needed a lot of shirts from there, so I haven't pulling them out, but I will still show you guys. And then the BB Crafts tool that's still completely in the box. I haven't opened that yet, so I'll show you guys when I open that. All right, see you soon. Finished. It is 3 something. Oh, wrong button. Oh, let me tell you what time it is. I think it's 3 o'clock. Or almost 3 o'clock. I finished 21 shirts. 21. I'm so hungry. I'm starving. It might be it says 3:49. I don't know if the clock's right. So 3:49. 21 shirts done. Lunchtime now because I'm hungry. Whew. My sister made some pasta last night. I didn't eat it because my stomach was hurting. So I'll eat that now for lunch. Whew. And then I got to make some ribbon trims to go with some of the shirts I made. And then I still have to make my brother's work shirts. My brother is having me make his company work shirts, so I'll do that. Orders I got done today. A bunch of them. Somebody over here helped me tend to touch them.
What's up?
Ew. So yeah, that's what I got done. Now I gotta put them all in their bags, mailers, and print all the shipping labels.